Welcome to Skyrider Electric, where innovation meets excellence. With 2 state-of-the-art manufacturing units, one at Xavier Road, Jaydev Vihar, Bhubaneswar, and another at Jatni, CIT campus. We are revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry. At Skyrider Electric, we are committed to building the future of electric mobility. From designing cutting-edge EV technology to assembling every component with precision, our manufacturing units ensure superior quality and reliability in every vehicle we produce. Our journey doesn't stop here. Skyrider Electric has reached almost every state in India and expanded beyond borders to international markets like Australia and more. Our commitment to sustainability and innovation is driving us towards a greener future. Looking to experience the future of electric mobility? Our authorized dealers are present across almost every state in India, ready to serve you. Join us in the electric revolution. Visit our manufacturing units, connect with our dealers, and be a part of the change with Skyrider Electric.